be a little bit careful chasing stocks here because we're going to get a bit of a pullback here at some point, a bit of that breather. It's not likely going to be large. All right, here's what you need to know before the bell this morning. The market's had a very, very nice rally over the last 8 days. It has literally been a straight up rally at this point from the lows. This is a very long stretch for markets to go up without taking a breather. Now that doesn't mean, when I say take a breather, that doesn't mean go back down here and touch the 200-day moving average, right? That's not a breather, that's a correction. But a bit of a pullback here towards the 50-day moving average would not be surprising at this point. The 20-day moving average is beginning to flatten out. It will start to turn up here shortly. That will also provide some additional support to the markets on a pullback. That'll be your entry point to add some exposure to stocks that you want to add exposure to at this juncture. We're on a solid buy signal. Markets are getting a little bit overbought here. So again, be a little bit careful chasing stocks here because we're going to get a bit of a pullback here at some point, a bit of that breather. It's not likely going to be large, right? It might be 1 or 2 or 3 days that you get a bit of a decline here back to the 50-day moving average. We work off this overbought condition very quickly. It'll happen quickly over just the course of a couple of days, and that'll be your entry point. You won't get a lot of shot to, if you're looking for a 5% pullback to buy into the markets, you're probably not going to get that at least over the next month. Now, again, any prediction is only good for 3 to 5 days. So, outside of that, we'll see what the markets do. There is the potential risk, and then we go through this in today's article. There is risk of a bit of a bigger correction just before the election, just as markets kind of de-risk. Share buyback window closes back down September the 5th. So again, there's some reasons to expect maybe in late September and October we could see another bit of volatility in the markets. But over the course of the next month, likely you're going to get a small pullback and another rally. I would not be surprised for this market to attempt a break of all-time highs here before we get to October. So we'll see what happens, but just kind of keep a watch on things at this juncture. And again, as we've said before, this is why you don't, sell everything and then try to figure out how to get back in. That's too difficult. Just rebalance small moves in your portfolio, small additions, small subtractions, balance your risk, balance your allocation, and that'll help you navigate these markets as we go forward. Okay, that's what you need to know before the bell this morning.